Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to automatically grow your email list from every Calendly booking? In this video, I'll show you how to connect it with free email tools like MailerLite or MailChimp. The easiest way is through a free automation platform like Zapier. You'll need accounts for Calendly, Zapier, and your email marketing service. Create a new Zapier. For the trigger, select Calendly and choose Invitee Created. This starts when someone books a meeting. Now for the action. Search for your email tool like MailerLite. Select Add Update Subscriber as the action. Connect your accounts. Then choose which list you want to add them to. Like new leads or prospects, Zapier will automatically pull information from the Calendly, booking like the person's name and email, address, and add them as a new contact to your email list. You can even tag them based on what type of meeting they booked, so you can send them super relevant follow-up emails later. Test and activate your Zap, and you're done. Now, every new booking automatically becomes a new lead in your email marketing system, helping you build relationships without any manual work. If this helps you grow your list, let me know which email tool you're using in the comments. See you in the next one.